Oh my goodness, I cannot tear a piece of paper. How is this possible?
So I've got a piece of paper, right? Just piece of paper, possible and impossible. So just hold this like this with your two hands. Try to tear it.
Oh my goodness, I cannot tear a piece of paper. How is this possible? ये आपने क्या किया?
Oops.
No, I'm not
नहीं हो रहा,
prepared.
अच्छा, ठीक है. Because that's just a piece of paper. Close your eyes for a moment and think. You can do it. Everything is possible. At the same time, paper को turn कीजिए और possible देखते हैं. Repeat it in your mind. Possible. I can do it. I can do it. Now open your eyes. Now here.